nice little bass.
Catching them on worms, huh?
This one's just a little fake plastic worm.
Oh, really? Plastic yet?
Yeah.
Excellent. It's a bass, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Oh, it's a bass. Oh, there's more with them. Smaller than I thought. Not bad though. Maybe a little over a pound this time. Look how fat it is though. It's just feel like a football, this one. Oh, look at my Ned rig. Look at it. Freaking tore up. Yeah, I know, man. Only good for like 2 fish. What the heck? Let's come back. Oh, that's a big rock bass. Look at, as this guy's... Oh, this poor guy. Oh no, he's going under. Oh no. Oh. Alright, this guy... I'm not sure if this guy's gonna be able to get back up, dude. Yeah, this guy, look at, he's getting hit by the other people now.